Hello. Now, this will be discussion two, and this will be talking about trends, measuring, and reporting. Now, the first thing about this material that I wanted to go over was what is big data. And big data consists of structured and unstructured material. Now, the structured material is data that is highly organized, very easily searchable because it's mostly made out of texts, um, and it is in a relational database or a data warehouse. Now, your unstructured data is everything else, like your videos, your text files, your email, your social media, and these things aren't as easily searchable. There is a lot more unstructured data than structured data. And it does include things like satellite imagery and digital surveillance, so a lot of very interesting topics. So together, these two things make up big data in general. And that's where your businesses, small businesses and large businesses, are looking to leverage any data that they can and and get some extra value for the data that they do collect or that they buy. Um, Now, another thing that I thought was interesting in the readings was insights as a service, and so that's cloud based. It's a service based analytics that any business can purchase. And I wanted to go over the pros and cons of each. The pros will be there's a lot more tools available than what a company could actually purchase. Small businesses can access it, and if a company isn't a tech company, may have very limited technical resources, this will really help them out because it'll be more cost effective for them. Also, data will be in the cloud, so people can access it anywhere, and that's very important for data to be accessible, real time whenever it is needed. Now, the cons though are pretty big on this insight as a service. An external company has a lot of your very personal and valuable data. And what if the competitors are using the same service as you are? So that really wouldn't help you at all and would put you at a disadvantage. And there would be a question of who actually owns this analytical data, the actual data that is fed into the cloud, and the analytics that come out. Privacy and security are always going to be an issue, and plus you would always need to rely on an internet connection, and so a lot can go wrong there. And return on investment may be hard to calculate. So I just thought those were some really interesting things that I got out of the readings. Some questions I have for the people in my group would be, what's your thoughts on uh, the insight as a service? Kind of thought, what's your thoughts about getting analytics through the cloud? And another thing that we were talking about, this is kind of off topic, but what were you guys thinking about for career goals? There's a lot of different options, and I just wanted to see what you're all thinking. Okay, well, thank you. Have a nice day.